This is Boston. This is home. But what is a home? A home is a place where you belong. No matter what's going on in your life, you can walk in knowing that you will be loved and cared for by your community, where you can have fun, sing, and laugh, but also have deep conversations, not fearing the outcome. Home is a place where you are challenged to be the best version of yourself, challenged to grow, serve, and discover your purpose in life. Our vision for Lighthouse Young Adults is to be a home, to be a place where young adults can belong to a community and be challenged to find their purpose. We believe that those things are at their best when they are centered around Jesus. A community can feel most like a home and find its true purpose when at the heart of it is Jesus. Maybe you believe that, maybe you don't, but we want to invite you to check it out and see for yourself what a home like this can look like. Lighthouse Young Adults, meet people,